here we are. Final stretch. Glencoe's empty for the most part compared to what it was. See that there's some people still, stragglers that are leaving tomorrow, but this whole row is empty. Then we have a lot of rigs actually already packed. So they're like that dude right there on the Class A is already packed. They're just gonna roll out probably in the morning or something like that, but done. It was fun. Rally was great. The riding was fantastic. Ended up with close to 1,500 miles put on while I was here. People did not behave themselves, COVID-wise. Just reality. So, kept my distance, wore a mask, washed my hands, blah, blah, blah. But there was a whole lot of slap and tickle going on. So, I don't know. We'll see. I mean, hopefully everyone's okay, but I don't think that's going to be the case. So yeah, I've got a bunch of videos, not from the GoPro because that didn't work out, but my wife took a ton of really good videos while we were riding from the back seat. So I'll stitch those together and stuff and upload them. But yeah, I mean, we'll be back next year. I'm going to do a whole video on what I've learned. I've been here several times, but things I was like mental notes, things to do. I'm going to do a top 10 of things you must do. Probably something like what Apple does with playlists, right? So they have that, what they call the essentials, and then they do next steps. I'm going to do that. So I'll be like your, must-dos when you're at Sturgis, but then some next steps, some good stuff. So my buddy Bull, who's here with me, his dad lives here, and Bull was born here. So they took me to some really cool stuff I'd never been to before. That was a lot of fun. So I'm going to put those on the next steps list. So talk to you in a couple days. Hope you're all well out there. One thing I would add, I saw the protest that was on Main Street today. I guarantee it's not going to be covered the way it actually happened. There was 3 people. Nothing bad happened. I don't even understand what they were protesting. So people will make a big deal out of it, but it's nothing. So talk to y'all later. Bye.